This is my favorite. Every time I visit your restaurant, I'll order this dish.
I know. Patatas Bravas.
Oh.
It's so simple, but the potatoes without a good sauces is nothing. Salsa Brava and Aioli. Potatoes, olive oil, salt, and my salsas. To do patatas bravas, we need peel, chop in a bite-sized chunk, and then put in the pan with salty cold water, bring to boil. When it starts boiling, take it out, drain well, and then we can put a little bit olive oil in the pan, potatoes like that, a little bit more oil, and then we're just gonna put in the oven. I think around half an hour or until they are really nice, golden and crispy. That look absolutely beautiful. And we are gonna make a big plate of patatas bravas because I know they are very popular. I'm gonna put a little bit salt. The potatoes are important, but the sauces are even more.
So this is your aioli.
Yeah, look at that. The smell is British garlic, Spanish extra virgin olive oil. And what we do with the garlic, we roast the garlic. That kind of tiny, roasty flavor, and it's absolutely amazing. We just want plenty of that. The salsa brava, proper and spicy. And we are gonna do some chefy things.
Perfect.
How simple is that? Good potatoes, little bit of olive oil, and the sauce that I've been developing just for you.
Too nice.
Just like a Spanish tapas bar in your house.